How to know if she's using you? 4 signs she's using you. Number 1, she only calls when she needs something. You know, understand? Pay attention to na conversation. She only calls when she need money. She dey call when she need money. She only dey call when she need money. She only dey remember you when she need favour. She only dey text you when she need something. When she always need something, na she dey remember you. But when everything dey okay, she go disappear. A relationship should not feel like a customer service center. You know, understand? Relationship should not feel like a customer service center. If the only time she contact you is when she need something, that's a warning sign for you, and you need to, you know, understand, let her go, dump her and move on. Women plenty for this world. You know, understand? Then number 2 sign, she never invest anything. She never invest anything. Na only you dey invest. You know, understand? The only thing wey she dey invest na her time, and you too dey give that same amount of time. If you and girl dated for 5 years, 3 years, that's 5 years or 3 years of your time, and that's 5 years or 3 years of her own time too. You know, understand? So na only time she dey invest, she no dey invest anything. That means that's a warning sign for you too. You know, understand? That's a warning sign for you too. Number 3 signs she's using you. Her interest depend on your money. Her interest depend on your money. When you are spending, she's happy. When you buy gift for her, buy flower, all those things, she's happy, she's excited. But when everything hard for you, her attitude change immediately. Na there you go know say something dey wrong. That's a warning sign for you. That means she only depend, her happiness, her interest only depend on your money when you are spending. But when you no dey give again, when you say make you pause for some time, her attitude go change. You know, understand? A good partner appreciate effort too, but if her feelings rise and fall with your wallet, pay attention to that. Dump her and let her go. Dump her and let her go. Na so e just be. Then number 4 signs she's using you. She avoid serious conversation with you. She avoid serious conversation with you. You know, understand? When you talk about the future, she change the update to another thing. She go twist and go another thing. Maybe you na dey plan say you wan settle life with am. When you dey talk about future, she go change the update. She go change and she go twist am to another conversation. When you ask her where the conversation will lead una to, where the conversation is going, she will give unclear answer sef. But because some people enjoy the benefit. Most women they enjoy the benefit. Most women that don't love you, if you are asking them about the future, they will twist it to another thing because they enjoy the benefit but don't want the commitment in it. And so it just be. So I don't really know. Not every woman who receive help is using you. Not every woman who receive help is using you, and not every relationship must be equal in every area. Na so it just be. But if someone only takes and never give anything back, that's not partner. That one I just won't use you. You know, understand? A person who love you, a person who loves you, values you, where he go keep you, he go preserve you in a private museum. She go invest her time, she go invest emotionally, financially, in every tally. A person who love you, a woman who love you. I don't know whether they get. So one love, destiny.